Rice and beans. A main dish from Honduras. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Place the beans in 960 milliliters water in a large pot. Cover, bring to a boil, then reduce heat and allow to stand for 1 hour. Step 2. Drain. Step 3. To the beans add the coconut milk, scallions, jalapeño, garlic, thyme and 240 milliliters water. Cover and simmer for 30 minutes, until the beans are tender. Step 4. Drain, reserving the liquid. Step 5. Add the rice, salt and pepper to the pot with the beans. Step 6. Measure the reserved liquid and top off with enough water to make 960 milliliters total, then add to the pot. Step 7. Cover, bring to a boil, then reduce to simmer for 15 minutes, or until the liquid has been absorbed. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.